Did you know that mature garlic leaves are just as delicious and aromatic as garlic bulbs? Today, I will guide you on how to grow garlic for leaves right at home. I will film the complete journey from the moment the garlic cloves are sown into the ground until the day the plants sprout and produce the plumpest, mature leaves. Let's get started. However, my garlic bulbs are starting to sprout green shoots on the outside. Not wanting to let them go to waste, I am going to plant them. To allow the young sprouts to stretch up as easily and uniformly as possible, I will use a very sharp knife to gently slice off a bit of the top tip of the garlic bulbs. This quick tip helps break the rigid outer wrapping layer, freeing the green sprouts to accelerate and shoot straight upward. I'm using this rectangular box to grow the garlic. I punch 6 round holes in a straight line on the box lid. The distance between the holes has been calculated just enough for when I place the garlic cloves in. Before putting them into the box, this tube of pebbles must be washed perfectly clean. Completely removing the layer of dust and sand clinging to the outside of the pebbles is extremely important. It keeps the water environment inside the box always crystal clear and free of settled dirt, thereby protecting the garlic root system to remain well aerated and absorb oxygen best. Looking through the transparent box layer, I can clearly see the journey of the root system. They have extended so long they are about to touch the bottom, silently weaving through the foundational pebbles. I pour the pebbles into each box one by one. Since I'm growing them hydro-organically, this bottom pebble layer is our secret weapon, everyone. In the water environment, this layer of pebbles acts as a solid substrate for the root system to cling onto, preventing the plants from toppling over when they grow long leaves. At the same time, the gaps between the pebbles will store oxygen, allowing the garlic roots to freely breathe and grow healthily without any worry of soft rot. I arrange the garlic into the pre-punched slots. This box lid will keep the plant standing firmly upright, ready for an upcoming acceleration to produce mature leaves. After a few days of care, look at this everyone. The green garlic sprouts have all shot up high together. The most wonderful part is looking down below where the pure white roots have sprouted abundantly into large clusters. They are truly growing like wildfire. Everyone! After just a short absence, my garlic patch has already grown more than twice as tall. The garlic leaves are starting to enter their mature stage with large, plump and strikingly wish green leaf blades. Looking through the transparent box layer, I can clearly see the journey of the root system. They have extended so long they are about to touch the bottom, silently weaving through the foundational pebbles. It looks absolutely satisfying, doesn't it, everyone? Above, the leaves stretch up vibrant green to the eyes, while below, the pure white roots are silently weaving into the pebbles, tightly intertwining with one another. Seeing the garlic patch grow so perfectly uniform with lush green and exceptionally healthy leaves, I know the right moment has arrived. Today is the day I transplant the garlic into pots, everyone. I will gently separate the garlic cloves. Be a bit nimble to keep the massive root system underneath, fully intact. I am only taking the large, firm and healthy garlic cloves from the outside. As for the flat, tiny cloves on the inside, I discard them directly. If you want a patch of plump, lush green garlic leaves, the seed selection step must be absolutely perfect right from the start. Right, everyone? After selecting the biggest and healthiest garlic cloves, I will take them out to plant in soil pots. I have mixed this planting soil to be loose, fluffy and adequately moist. When planting, remember to skillfully backfill the soil just right around the base to protect the young roots, leaving the green sprouts to extend upward. The garlic plants are set at regular intervals to ensure the best growing space for each plant. The garlic's new home is now complete. Look at those lush green garlic sprouts standing neatly in straight lines on the warm soil background. The growing journey of plants always brings delightful surprises. Please hit like and follow the channel to join me in waiting to see how this garlic patch stretches high in the next episode. Thank you and see you all again.